And welcome everyone. Yeah, as Lino mentioned, we're going to be talking a little bit about the universal theme, which is a pretty common topic because I think it's a pretty interesting topic. Today, I'm hoping I'm going to explore a couple things about the universal theme that either you haven't heard of before or maybe just kind of expand on some things that maybe you might be familiar with. Who exactly am I? Who's this person that's talking to you? My name is Tyson Juglé. I've been an Apex developer for 10 years or so, and instructor and developer for SkillBuilders. So I thoroughly enjoy the education part of this job. And so thank you everyone for attending and kind of giving me the opportunity to do this. Without further ado, let's kind of get into the main material. So the agenda, what exactly we're going to be talking about is, well, first, I want to really focus on some of the core technologies that kind of make the universal theme so great. It's an incredibly well-designed theme for Apex, and it's not just a strong understanding of how the metadata behind the scenes is organized, but it's also a strong understanding of how CSS works in general and how the Apex team is now kind of married the concepts of CSS to their theming technology, and kind of all that kind of came together with the universal theme in a fantastic way. The second thing we're going to talk about here are just media queries, and we're going to talk a little bit about how you deal with different sizes of screens, because as we know today, it's not just desktop computers that are looking at our applications, it's also mobile devices, tablets, and all sorts of other things. I'm sure you could open up an app on your refrigerator. There's all sorts of ways we can connect to our applications. In particular, we're going to talk about a methodology known as BEM, block element modifier. I'll go a little bit over that. I'll go over that later. But I think it's a fantastic way for you to write your CSS. And we'll cover that more in details later. And then finally, there's some JavaScript stuff that we're going to take a look at that I think are just kind of interesting and helpful.